Imagine a motorcycle that feels light the moment you touch it, friendly the moment you sit on it, and freeing the moment you start moving. A motorcycle that doesn't ask you to be an expert, doesn't demand speed, and doesn't overwhelm you with complexity. Instead, it invites you to ride slowly, confidently, and with curiosity. But before we go any further, there's something important waiting for you at the very end of this video. Something that explains why bikes like this matter more than most people realize. So stay with me till the end. This is Acer Rider, and today we're talking about the 2026 Yamaha XT 120. The 2026 Yamaha XT 120 exists in a space that many modern motorcycles have forgotten. It's not about excess. It's not about dominance. It's about accessibility, simplicity, and everyday freedom. Yamaha designed this bike for riders who want to enjoy motorcycling without pressure new riders, returning riders, younger riders, and even experienced riders who just want something honest and easy to live with. From the very first look, the XT 120 feels approachable. The design is clean and purposeful, with classic dual sport cues that immediately tell you what this bike is about. Upright stance, slim bodywork, practical proportions, and a no-nonsense silhouette. It doesn't try to look aggressive or futuristic. It looks ready. Ready for streets, ready for back roads, and ready for light trails. The size of the XT 120 is one of its biggest strengths. It doesn't tower over you. It doesn't feel bulky or heavy. It feels manageable. That alone changes how riders approach it. There's no intimidation here, just confidence. You feel like you're in control before you even start riding. Swing a leg over the XT 120 and everything immediately feels natural. The seat height is friendly, allowing most riders to touch the ground easily. This is especially important for beginners and shorter riders, but it also makes experienced riders feel relaxed and confident in slow-speed situations. The handlebars sit comfortably in your hands, wide enough for control, but not awkward. The foot pegs are positioned perfectly for both seated riding and standing up when the road gets rough. The riding position is upright and balanced. Your back stays straight, your arms stay relaxed, and your legs feel natural. This posture makes long rides easier and short rides more enjoyable. You're not fighting the bike, you're simply riding it. At the heart of the 2026 Yamaha XT 120 is an engine designed with one goal: make riding easy and enjoyable. This is not a high-performance engine, and that's exactly the point. Power. Delivery is smooth, gentle, and predictable. Throttle response is forgiving, which builds confidence instantly. You don't have to worry about sudden acceleration or aggressive behavior. The bike responds calmly to your inputs, allowing you to focus on balance, control, and awareness. In city riding, this makes a huge difference. Stop-and-go traffic feels manageable. Tight streets feel easy to navigate. The XT 120 feels light on its feet, allowing quick turns and smooth lane changes without effort. For daily commuting or casual riding, this calm nature turns riding into a pleasure rather than a task. On open roads, the XT 120 feels relaxed and steady. It's not built for high-speed cruising, but it's comfortable at everyday speeds. The engine hums along smoothly, encouraging you to enjoy the journey instead of rushing through it. This kind of riding experience reminds you that motorcycling doesn't have to be intense to be enjoyable. When the pavement ends, the XT 120 begins to show its true character. Light dirt roads, gravel paths, uneven surfaces, and countryside trails feel inviting rather than intimidating. The lightweight chassis and upright ergonomics give you excellent control. You can easily adjust your body position, stand on the pegs, and guide the bike over rough patches with confidence. The suspension is tuned for real-world conditions. It's not stiff or aggressive. It's compliant and forgiving, absorbing bumps and uneven terrain without unsettling the rider. This makes trail riding less tiring and more fun, Especially for beginners or casual adventurers. Handling on the XT120 is intuitive. The bike goes where you point it. Leaning feels natural. Corrections are easy. There's no nervousness, no unpredictable behavior. Everything feels progressive and controlled. This builds trust quickly, which is one of the most important qualities. In a beginner-friendly or everyday motorcycle. Another major advantage of the XT120 is its lightweight. This changes everything. Picking up the bike after a tip-over is manageable. Turning it around on a narrow path is easy. Parking, maneuvering, and pushing the bike feel stress-free. This lightness gives riders freedom, the freedom to explore. Without fear of being stuck or overwhelmed, comfort is understated but excellent. The seat is supportive without being harsh. The upright posture reduces pressure on the wrists and back. You can ride for long periods without feeling fatigued. This makes the XT120 suitable not just for short trips, but for extended rides as well. Fuel efficiency is another area where the XT120 shines. The bike sips fuel, allowing long rides between stops. This is especially valuable in rural areas or during trail exploration. Fewer fuel stops mean more freedom, less planning, and more enjoyment. Maintenance is simple, and that's intentional. Yamaha built the XT120 with reliability and ease of ownership in mind. Fewer electronics, straightforward engineering, and proven components mean this is a bike you can trust. It's the kind of motorcycle that starts every morning, runs consistently, and doesn't demand constant attention. This simplicity also creates a deeper connection between rider and machine. You're not managing systems, you're riding. You're listening to the engine, feeling the terrain, and responding naturally. That connection is something many modern motorcycles have lost. The versatility of the 2026 Yamaha XT120 is what truly sets it apart. It's comfortable in the city. It's relaxed on country roads, and it feels at home on trails. Few motorcycles can move between these environments so naturally. The XT120 doesn't feel like it's compromising, it feels like it's adapting. And that adaptability creates confidence. Riders don't feel limited, they feel encouraged to explore, to take the road that looks interesting, to turn down the path they've never tried before. Over time, the XT120 becomes more than just a motorcycle. It becomes a companion, a teacher, a reminder of why riding is special. Riders grow with it. Skills improve naturally. Confidence builds without pressure. Now, remember the important thing I mentioned at the beginning of this video? Here it is. The true value of the 2026 Yamaha XT120 is not in what it can do, but in what it allows you to do. It removes fear. It removes complexity. It removes barriers. And in doing so, it opens the door to real motorcycling, simple, honest, and joyful. In a world obsessed with bigger, faster, and more complicated, the XT120 quietly reminds us that sometimes less truly is more. This is Asa Rider. Ride simple, ride curious, and keep discovering the roads and trails that still feel unexplored.